this moment.
Athens, Georgia's only game show, Close Enough. Tonight, local Athens musical legend, Pretty Bird. And here's your host, Thomas Bauer.
Welcome to another episode of Close Enough, Athens' only game show. The only game show you don't have to be right, you just have to be close enough. Tonight we have the Athens local band, Pretty Bird. Guys, say something. Sure. It's alright, there's nothing to hear. The studio audience is here, and they're really happy. This is the first live show we've done in front of a live studio audience!
Yeah, like Ed Sullivan and stuff.
Alright guys, so I'm going to explain the rules for you guys at home, people who don't know how to play. There's going to be 6 categories. The categories tonight are...
So much energy.
Potpourri, Animals, Billboard Top 10, State Birds, Game Show Theme Songs, and Thomas. That category is about me. So basically, we did a flip of the coin before, and David's team gets to go first. You're going to pick a category. Whoever gets the answer right or close enough, you don't have to buzz in or anything. Nothing like that. You get to get the point, and you get to go next. And every fifth question. Oh, okay.
Potpourri.
Potpourri. All right. So
Here we go. Off to a fast start.
That was fast.
In skateboarding, there are 2 primary stances: regular and this other sillier sounding stance.
What is silly?
Oh, with silly.
Wait, don't forget, you have a lifeline.
Oh yeah, you have 2 lifelines. Both are ask Cameron for the answer, but he doesn't know the answers. He's just pretty smart. You guys, do you have an answer over there?
We do.
What is it?
Goofy.
Yeah, that's correct.
Oh. Team Bird with the point. That is Jacob and Valerie.
What are you doing over there? Thanks, producer.
I'm gonna try harder.
Next category.
You get to choose a category now.
Category.
Potpourri, Animals,
Top 10.
Billboard Top 10.
Here we go.
This is the top 10 songs for this week on the Billboard Top 10. Questions about those. This American Idol alumni is currently at number 2 with their single "Stronger." What doesn't kill me? You don't have to be right. Just something that's anywhere close, as long as you're close
It's enough.
to the team.
Kelly Clarkson.
Can I just say it whenever? Can I just say the
Yeah,
answers?
you can. We can buzz in.
I can
You don't
buzz.
have to buzz in. Just say it.
Oh, okay.
Kelly Clarkson.
Kelly Clarkson's right.
Can we start from the beginning?
Point. The Team Bird. Jacob and Valerie.
From the top.
Can we take it from the
So I could buzz in.
We're winning.
These guys
There's no buzzing.
Just say.
Just saying.
We don't have the
Whoever says it
technology.
first.
Just let it out.
Okay.
Just let it out.
It's a
man.
race.
Okay.
Just let it
Okay.
come out.
Unless buzz is the answer.
Blurt,
All right.
if you will.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Choose the next category. Team Bird.
Thomas.
All right.
Ooh.
What am I doing tomorrow?
Thomas.
Yes, that is correct.
Yes.
Closest.
That was pretty close, right?
It was close enough. I don't really know what I'm doing tomorrow, but that sounds like a good answer. That's what
All right,
I'm
I'm
doing.
doing tomorrow.
Midnight radio. Anything can happen.
Yeah.
All right. Next category goes to
Team Pretty.
Team Pretty.
Team
This-
Pretty
this is-
says potpourri.
Potpourri again. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right. This cinema favorite snack comes in 2 varieties: butterfly and mushroom shaped.
Mushroom shaped.
Do you guys have the answer?
Shrimp.
The answer is popcorn. I think shrimp is a little bit closer.
That was closer.
because
Popcorn
Popcorn
shrimp. Yeah, that's a thing.
I only listened to half of
Yeah.
the
I want to
question.
go to Captain
And I
D's
thought
after
the
this
last
show.
half of the question was A or B. I thought there was
Close
options for
enough.
the answer.
You gotta listen.
I didn't listen.
You guys got any stuff coming up or anything? Some stuff.
We got
Yes.
some stuff.
We're working on a music video. But we're
For a
afraid.
single. Be out on Valentine's
We're
Day.
afraid of releasing it.
Oh, Pretty Bird in the studio. Crap. All right, next question, guys. Who goes?
It is Team Bird.
Teamwork.
Pick the category.
Animal.
Animals. All right. All right. So for animals, this animal is the largest of the cat species, reaching a total body length of up to 3.3 meters or 11 feet, And winning up to,
Tigers.
yes, that is correct.
Oh. Yeah, this question.
I like listening to you read the question.
You weren't even
I
done
don't
yet.
even-
I wanna
like,
hear
I don't
it
want
all.
to interrupt you.
You just interrupted.
Well, that's very nice. Let's give him a round of applause, everybody.
I'm here to win.
Give him a point for charity.
No, okay.
Give him a point.
Yeah,
He's
see?
nice.
Look
It
at
doesn't
that.
come along in real
I had never
Any
seen a
YouTube.
tiger.
You've never seen it.
I got Thomas on the board.
All right. So the next question you guys pick, next category is going to be a list question. So pick any of the categories. You can have a minute to list something in that category.
Remind me all the categories again.
All right. The categories are animals, Billboard Top 10, potpourri, state birds, game show theme songs, and Thomas. Pick a category.
There's one
I
more.
would have.
Wait,
to
did
go
they
with
get
top
picked?
10?
You got the bonus point?
No.
Is it their turn?
Yes.
Oh,
Pick
yeah.
the category, guys.
Team Bird.
Team birds.
That's fine. Game show
think
theme
they
No,
got-
songs.
you can't pick that one
That's
because there's no list question for that. Something else. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna have to go with top 10 again.
Top 10. Okay.
There we go.
Name as many of the songs on the top 10 Billboard or artists on the top 10 Billboard right now as you can. You have 60 seconds. Go. Just list people on the top 10 Billboard.
Rock and roll.
Kelly
Creed.
Clarkson.
No. Write them down.
Right, yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Don't laugh at them.
No, this is a good show. Breaking the ratings tonight.
Don't you dare look over here.
That American Idol one from earlier, and probably.
I could go for some soup. You want some soup, Thomas? Go for some nice soup. Maybe some chili. Chili soup. Chili soup, Bo Peep. Chili soup, Bo Peep. Pipe.
Oh, man. I love popular music.
Chili soup, Bo Peep.
Where are the Rodney
Pipe.
Kings on the...
Oh, the Roddy Kings? I think we're number 37. We're just after Michael Jackson's Smooth Criminal
Ooh, time is up. You got 10
and just
seconds
under
left, guys.
Lionel Richie's Dancing on the Ceiling. I think that's where
Whoa, wait, am I?
Uh-oh.
Time
time is up. Let's see what you got.
Okay.
Smoke 'em if you got 'em.
Not a good team.
All right, kiddos. Let's see what we got here at summer camp.
Yeah, I'm just not doing it.
All right, Team Bird has Kelly Clarkson,
Ooh, yeah, she's up there.
Bruno Mars.
Who?
Bruno Mars.
She's, it's up there. I don't know what kind of person.
Re-
Is it?
Yeah.
Rihanna.
Yes.
Rihanna. I was going to say Rihanna. Beyonce?
No, she's not up there anymore.
Kanye.
No.
Katy Perry.
No.
Nope.
No, Katy Perry's not up there, man.
Maroon 5.
No.
Keisha.
Jesus. She's
Keisha.
not up there. She's gone.
Four. That's 4 points. That's 4 points to Bird. All right. Team Pretty. Oh no. Ari. What is that?
That's Creed. Creed.
No,
That's,
it's up there.
those are
No,
the
they-
categories.
What does that say? Creed.
Yeah, no.
U2.
No.
LMFAO.
Yes.
Yeah.
Madonna.
No.
Huh.
Nickelback.
She's old.
What? Nickelback now.
Rihanna.
Yeah.
She's always on
Can I
there,
say
man.
one?
Yeah, say
2
one.
points.
Nicki Minaj.
No, she's not up there.
Uh,
The other people up there right now, number one is Adele.
Adele.
You forgot Flo Rida with Good Feeling. He's
Oh,
doing really
yeah.
well with that. Dave
Sometimes.
Uetta,
He's on my iPod background.
doing good.
Number one DJ in the world.
Jesse J. Tyga is number 10 with Rack City.
City.
I really did think that Pot and Bird and all these
Full of
things were.
Rack City.
Those are the categories.
heard that song?
Potpourri.
It's incredible.
There's something about birds.
I'm really disconnected from music.
I
I
think that
guess.
says game show.
Okay, what are the
Oh,
points
excuse
right
me.
now?
Excuse me, boss. Well, Team Bird just got a big boost of 4 points, up to 8 points to Jacob and Valerie. Team Pretty got 2 points. They now have a total of 4 points. Only half of their opponent's score. It is now 8 to 4.
That's good enough.
1 divided by 2.
Who gets the next thing picking?
That would be Team Bird.
All right, pick the next category. Team Bird, Valerie.
State bird.
State
Yeah.
birds. You can pick state birds.
State bird.
You can pick state birds. All right. This small bird is the state bird of Arkansas and is featured in Harper Lee's bestseller.
Mockingbird.
Yes.
Point to Jacob and Valerie.
All right. Next category, guys.
I killed a mockingbird.
Pick another category.
Birdo?
I'm from Texas.
What about game show
You
theme
better
songs?
not
You haven't done that one.
Sounds
Yeah,
good.
yeah, that
I
one.
play
Sounds-
a theme song and you tell me what show it's from.
Yeah.
That's always a fun one. You just looked at the screen, didn't you?
Price is right.
Price is right.
Oh, who got that? That was close.
That was me.
That was Jared.
That was Jared?
You deserve it.
Jared, you got it?
That was him. He did it. Wow, that was. Whew.
All right, 5 to 9, 9 to 5.
All right, next category. You can pick 'em.
Oh yeah.
Birds.
Game show.
Game show birds.
Game show birds. All right.
Combining. Family Feud.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
Come on down, Henderson's.
Point to Team Bird.
Come on down. All right, next category, guys. This is going well. About halfway through.
Yeah.
Tell me something interesting about yourselves. One of you. Somebody.
Volunteer.
I was born with a blue freckle.
Oh yeah. All right. All right, let's keep on going. Next category. What are you guys gonna do? You got the Family Feud, right? Pick a category.
Potpourri.
Potpourri. For you guys at home who don't know, potpourri is just an assortment of different things.
I didn't know that.
Well, it is on Jeopardy. I don't know if it really is. It's stuff in your bathroom. All right. So,
It's not real.
Rose petals. I don't
This-
think it's potpourri if there's not any rose petals.
is it not?
I think
Maybe
I'm
you
just
should write
saying
some
that.
questions. This popular Parker Brothers game was invented by French
maybe
film.
pine
Monopoly.
straw.
What? Let me finish.
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
You guys have an answer?
Keep going.
Um,
Just keep reading.
Walnuts.
In French, it's called La Conquête du Monde.
ACDC.
Strategia.
You can call
Battleship the movie.
Risk.
Yeah, it's Risk.
it. It's an old question. You're recycling questions, though.
Yeah, that's what potpourri is. It's old questions.
Potpourri, it's French for garbage.
I thought that was Cameron Evers.
Ah.
Ooh. All right, next category, guys.
Tu as raison, mon petit.
It's something.
Thomas.
All right. This one's about me. For
What
you
an
guys at home. What is
unfortunate-
my middle name?
Malachi.
Michael.
It's Malaki.
Malaki.
Yeah, it's Malachi.
Malachi.
Yeah, it's Malachi.
Okay.
You got it right.
Malaki.
Malachi's more fun to say. It's almost like Chachi, but it's like a Michael version.
Is Malachi really your middle name?
Yeah, that's
It
it.
sounds so demonic.
Yeah, well, it's not. It's just Jewish.
TMB.
Next
That's
category, guys. Whoa! who keeps doing-
Ooh, time
I'm
travel.
playing guitar, rock and roll band Athens.
Animals.
All right. Let's see now. Ooh.
That's a great idea.
It's a full moon tonight, too.
Called. Its scientific name is Aliripode melanchole, which means literally black and white catfoot. This animal is endangered species, and they eat a lot of bamboo.
Panda bear.
Yeah, panda bear.
Panda.
It is now 12 to 6. Bird, Team Bird in the lead.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
All right, pick the next category. It's gonna be another one of those list questions. Maybe you could pick.
Whichever one is most abundant in answers.
Ooh.
Thomas.
Yeah, that's gonna be Thomas.
Thomas.
All right. So if
Oh.
you guys have listened to this show before,
They haven't.
it's the same list question every time for Thomas. What did I eat today? Name everything I ate today. You have 60 seconds to go.
Coffee.
No.
No.
Fingernails. Oh.
I'm just gonna play some electric guitar to help you guys think.
Sounds. G, 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 G,
Bob your head.
G.
Bob Bob your head. Bob your head.
Say,
Bob your head.
J, J, J,
Bob your head.
day, 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 J, J, say, A, 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 D, A, J,
Bob your head.
A,
You have 30 seconds.
B, F.
Let me slip over to my flute.
Ooh, and the wind come through the bamboo.
What did I eat today?
When was the last time you watched Winnie the Pooh? You remember all that? With the bears and
I
the
really
trees.
want to see the new Winnie the Pooh movie at Cine, but
That's not even real. What are you talking about?
There's a new one.
When did it come out?
A couple months ago. 6
What?
months ago. Yeah.
I'm gonna fire my assistant.
Is up. Time is up.
All right, here we go. Team Bird has coffee,
Yes, I had some coffee today.
cereal,
No,
bagel,
no,
hamburger,
no. I didn't have a hamburger today.
pizza,
No.
beer,
Yep.
cheese,
Yep.
bread,
Yep.
pickle,
Yes.
mayo,
Yes.
nothing.
No, I had something to eat.
All right.
That was a good one. That was safety.
6 points to Team Bird. Let's see what Team Pretty has over here on their list of food. We got fingernails.
Yeah, I guess I do chill my fingernails.
That's a nice technicality there. Hummus.
No hummus today.
Weed.
Ooh, not today.
Animal cracker.
Uh,
Animal cracker.
a point for weed.
Okay. That's one I
No
have.
points for animal crackers though.
Matzo ball soup.
No, none of that.
Pizza.
I had pizza, yeah.
Snickers.
No Snickers today.
Bacon and cheese.
I had a BLT today.
Wow.
Yes, there's no cheese on it though.
What if? But you said cheese.
When we wrote it.
Dude,
Half a point.
No, you didn't have pizza. You didn't have pizza, right?
You're thinking of pickle.
Salmon patties.
No salmon patty.
All right.
I also had a Michelino's
4 points.
small frozen meal before I came.
Whoa, look at that. Coffee. Spit.
Ooh, yeah, I guess technically I had some.
Water.
Yeah, I had some
Yeah,
water.
there's a scientist over here. Lemon juice.
No.
Orange juice.
No.
You were so unhealthy. Spinach spelled wrong.
I didn't have spinach today.
Wow.
I had spinach pizza, man.
Burger. Wait, burger spelled with a Q. Burka. He wrote burka. So
You gotta
you
give us a point for pizza.
say
You had
burger?
Spanish pizza today.
Yeah.
Did you
I
have spinach
guess you're
pizza?
right. Yeah, I did.
She just forgot you had.
Sometimes.
What ingredients
messes with
count?
I don't know what to
10.
believe.
I'm just too much here. I'm not a stockbroker.
Yeah.
Cereal and milk.
I didn't have any cereal.
Do you have milk?
No, keep up with the damn things I've said. I'm sorry. I can't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I did it wrong. And I know it.
Okay, that's
Made it
actually,
funny.
that's 8. That's 8 points there. So that brings
made
you
a
to
mistake.
14. Okay, and y'all had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I wish I had some
6,
music for
7.
the long periods of time where Cameron counts small numbers.
Dude, I want to go back to the sandbox,
Just
dude. This isn't
answer the
even a
question.
thing. It's not.
What is it? What are the scores?
Team Bird has 19 points. Team Purdy has 14 points. Chugga chugga chew chew.
Cameron, what do you have to eat today?
Dude, I haven't eaten in a while, man.
Just say something.
Oh no, I had a saltine cracker.
Sound effect.
They love me.
Oh, come on, audience. It's Cameron.
No, stop.
All right, next question goes to the person with 14, right? Because they're behind.
Yeah,
All right, so pick the next.
whatever the hell you want.
Okay,
Oh,
top 10s.
Game show.
You guys
Return
aren't
your
team, so-
belongings.
Game shows.
Okay.
The chicken walk.
That's close.
Negative.
Chicken. Chicken dinner.
Why chicken? Why chicken? Why chicken?
Dancing with the stars.
You guys have an answer?
Don't cheat. Put your head back.
I can't see.
It's a dating show. So you guys.
Who
got
gets a
close
date
enough.
with?
Well, they didn't.
Thomas?
They didn't say anything, and chicken is close
Yeah.
to dating.
Because dating is kind of like doing this
What'd you
chicken
say?
dance, you know?
Love
Sounds
connection.
chickeny.
It's pretty chickeny. Some chicken flavored ramen on the go.
What
What was that, by the
That
way?
was a dating game show.
The dating game.
Show.
From
Or maybe
1974.
it's just a dating game. The dating
Yeah,
show game.
The date game.
The date game. Date rape game.
It's also
That was a date rape game.
the rape one they made into a board game.
All
The
right.
birds.
Next, birds. Okay. Ooh, all right. This holiday delight is the state game bird of Alabama.
Turkeys.
Yes, turkey. Ooh.
That was Jared.
All right, animals. This animal is a national symbol of Australia.
Kangaroo.
Ostrich.
It's the kangaroo. You got it right.
Oh, they're coming up on y'all here. Only 2 points behind.
Give
We
me
got
another animal.
Team
Hit me
Pretty
again.
coming up here. Quick out of the gate.
All right. The name of this large-beaked bird is derived from the Tupi word tucana.
Toucan.
It's toucan. Yes. I gave it away when I said tucana.
Alright,
All right. Next question. It's
Bird.
getting close. Birds again?
Bird. No, birds. Team Bird needs to pick a category.
Animals. All right.
Animals.
Animal
These-
crackers
This
in my
animal
soup.
is of the order Chiroptera, literally meaning
Platypus.
hand wing. It is the inspiration for Bruce Wayne's alter ego.
Batman. Bat.
Yes, it's Batman.
Batman.
Still only 2 points behind. Team Pretty coming up
That was funny.
Right, wait,
to the category, gentlemen.
Next category.
Team
5
Pretty.
minutes left. 18 to 19.
No, 20 to 18.
Let's go Thomas.
Thomas.
Where are you gonna take me?
To a back alley.
What was the last concert I went to?
Pretty bird.
Nope, I didn't go to that. Sorry. guys.
This is a show right now. We told our fans to listen because we were playing music, but it's a.
What did I go to last?
No, I know it.
Can't
You don't know what concert. Fredia?
Oh yeah, Big Frida.
Big Frida.
Fredia.
I went to that.
Who could know? Did you call me? I don't think you called me.
No, I think Pretty Bird is close enough though. They get the point.
Yay! Yeah.
Pretty Birds.
That's
both
what I'm
of them.
talking about.
Yeah.
I sang earlier
Right.
during this.
So y'all both
you
get.
know,
All right. Whatever.
Both got a
exchange.
point.
Yeah, they both get a point.
Still tied.
All right, next category.
Who does it?
Next.
Just roll a dice here.
Pretty,
Deep
Game
Potpourri.
Game show theme.
Game show.
All right. Listen closely.
The wedding, the newlywed game.
Yes, that's correct.
The married, the wedding, the newlywed.
All right.
Close enough.
Oh.
That's why they call it close enough.
Il
now.
était très proche.
All right.
One point
Animals.
behind now.
Animals. Ooh, all right. Let's keep on going. Trucking.
Animals is just real popular now.
They're kind of like animals.
Did y'all watch the Puppy Bowl on Sunday night?
I don't know.
I'm gonna get fired.
I'm gonna Google
Wait,
it.
there's no more
No.
questions in animals. You can have a list question for animals.
They all look so sad right now. Audience at home, you've never seen sadder faces than Pretty Bird being told there aren't any more
We
animals.
managed to list as many things in this category. The question is, list as many animals you can that are currently residing at the Bear Hollow Zoo in Athens. If you've ever been there, it's a really horrible zoo. But do you
No,
remember
it's
what
great.
was there? They have some cool animals, yeah. They got some-
Yeah, like squirrels. Ugh.
They lured some squirrels.
Dude, I went
into
to a zoo in
cage.
France, and there was a cage for squirrels, because they don't have squirrels over there. Everybody was going crazy.
They also have people who get DUIs usually do their community service at the zoo. So those are animals.
People who get DUI.
Reef Doscoop.
No!
It's an animal.
He's an animal. Reith, if you're listening, you're more than an animal. You're a half man.
No, he's not listening.
You're a hominid animal.
Yeah. Did you just say a hot piece of animal?
No, a hominid.
Oh yeah. What does that mean?
He's from the Ganges River Valley.
Ooh. The racism comes.
No, no. The early hominid civilization.
I'm gonna ask you to stop using that word.
Hominid?
Stop saying hominid. All right, guys.
You ever played the
20 seconds left.
You ever played the game Alien Hominid?
Thomas, are you hominidophobia?
Yeah, I don't like hominids.
A hominidophobia, 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 hominidophobia. I think I'm gonna buy a hat, Thomas.
Time is up.
Now let's see what they got.
Yeah.
Oh, we're starting with pretty this time.
Yeah. It's because we're enthusiastic.
That cute owl.
Wait, what?
That cute owl.
Yeah, there's a cute owl there.
Bald eagle.
It's adorable.
There's a bald eagle there?
It's adorable.
It's got huge eyes.
about
You
that
should
owl
visit
all
The
it.
great horned owl.
It's free to
great
go
horned
there, and you can see who goes to the public pool.
Yeah, it says people in pools.
There's
Those are animals.
There's a really
Those are
gross
animals.
lake there.
Yeah, there's people in pools.
People are
that
animals.
that.
We're all animals, right?
Bear.
We like to do animal things.
Bear.
Bear.
There's a bear there. Yes, that's a given. Bear Hollow.
Shake snake.
Yeah, there's a snake.
There's a shake snake too. Birds.
Birds are too constitutionally broad, overbroad. Can't take
I
that.
put crows.
But we took shake snake.
Yeah.
All right, that is 5 points to Team Pretty.
Whoa! What about the other side? You're
I always
like,
forget y'all have 2 pencils over there. He's just throwing me off tonight.
Repeats. What is
Yeah, owl, bear,
You know.
human during visiting hours. Spiders.
Spiders. Yes, there are spiders.
Hog.
There's a hog.
Is there a hog?
Lizardos.
I think there's lizards. Yeah.
Squirrels.
Yeah, squirrels are
the
there.
hog?
Crow.
Ooh, yeah, there's probably a crow there.
Just
I
one.
know there's no
There's
crow.
There's at least a crow. Crows are everywhere.
Are we looking at a
Show me a
manifest?
spot.
Nice,
Where there's
nice.
not a crow.
9
I'll
points.
throw something dead
You got
there.
9 points,
I'll
guys.
go
Don't
crow.
get greedy
I
now.
want to see a
9
manifest, a
points.
list of all the animals
All right.
residing at this zoo.
There's one right
I need
here,
proof.
sir.
After when does
They're
the
all-
show end?
Or
What
is
are
the
you guys doing
recording-
afterwards?
1 minute.
Let's
Wait,
go
wait, wait.
there.
Hawk.
Let's go
This is
there.
Team Bird.
Hawk.
We'll check
Squirrel.
it out.
Yeah, there's squirrels.
Bear.
Yeah, there's bears.
Boa.
going.
Boa constrictor.
No, there's a bird.
Is there?
There's probably a
I don't
Rattler.
think so. They
Is
don't
there
have
a
a
rattler?
reptile
There's no
room.
rattler.
Eagles.
There's an eagle, yeah.
They don't have a
They
reptile.
Said
don't have
plural.
the proper permits
Otter.
for a boa
Yeah, there's
constrictor.
an otter.
Goats.
No goats.
Pigs.
No fish.
Frogs.
There's frogs, yeah.
Owls.
Yeah, there's an owl.
Ferrets.
There's no ferrets.
Opossums.
No opossums.
Raccoons.
There's probably a raccoon sometimes.
Gator.
There's no gator.
It just says gator.
Gators. There are gators.
It's the last minute.
This
This
There's
is
a gator.
9 points.
Your opponent.
There is a gator.
Oh, that is that 9
Jared-
points. Y'all each got
Jared
9
just
points there.
confirmed
There's
the
no gator.
The gator.
Jared's confirming the
I'm
gator.
pretty sure that-
Wait. There was.
I'm
there's
pretty
a
sure there's a
gator.
crocodile.
Oh, that brings him up to
There's a
31.
grater.
So the final
That
score
gator's
is
there, and I saw
Team
it.
Bird has 31
Why does it have
points.
to be a
Team
final
Purdy has
score?
29.
The final score.
We would have won without that.
Yeah.
Stop laughing, audience.
Thanks for listening, guys. Another episode of Close Enough, Athens' only game show. What do you guys win tonight? Cameron, tell them what they win.
They won Christmas Caroling with the Carolers, called Christmas Time, released in 1976. This is vinyl. It smells of burnt cheese, and I'd say it would go for retail on eBay at about 39 cents.
All right, guys. Thanks for listening. This has been Pretty Bird. Make sure to check them out on Bandcamp or Facebook or in person.
Possible show next Thursday, this Thursday, next Thursday, this Thursday,
It's been a great guy.
next Thursday.
Well,
This Thursday.
We'll keep you updated.
Cut us off.
We'll keep
Turn-
you updated.
Turn it off.
We'll keep you updated.
Get us out
We'll
of
keep you
here.
updated. We'll keep you
We're
updated.
trapped on the air.
We'll keep you updated. We'll keep you